Arwaki ni machiegni nyinga Milton Ochieng. Sikund sekondari ma Utumishi dhi nyime kod chenro mar alam ne jopuonjre mowinjore otim penj mar klas 12. Nyasino yuorie kod jalup ogai mar obila Eliud Lagat, jaod bura ma Gilgil Martha Wangare e kind jotelo mamoko ma bende biro mana dweche 2 kende bang' masira mar mach nokelo tho ma jopuonjre skundno ka kwan jopuonjre ma klas 12 manowito ngimagi ne gin 7. Wawinjane kaka nyasino dhi mbele.
Leading you, encouraging you as you prepare for your examination and opportunities that lie ahead of you. As we gather for prayers here today, let us place our trust in God and seek His guidance, strength, and wisdom. May He grant you peace, protect you from any harm, and bless the work of your hands. May He give you the courage to overcome every obstacle in life and the confidence to pursue your dreams. So, as we mark the end of these speeches, I want to reiterate again that this is an opportunity for you Falcons to showcase what you have or what you've learned for the last 4 years. I have no doubt, despite what happened, that you will indeed come out of this problem and be able to succeed in whatever you're doing. And I want to encourage the rest of the students, those who are following the Falcons behind, that time is not with you. Time is of essence in life. Take it wisely and take it seriously. We are here just like any other parent to encourage you and to tell you pale mbele iko sawa. Tuketa Falcons, I admire and like the spirit of the Falcon, and in that spirit you are able to demonstrate what the Falcons are when we come and celebrate your victory next year. And as I turn to the parents, the challenges that we went through and the challenges that we go through every day, I want to encourage the parents, just the way the honorable member said, that you have an opportunity to guide and to advise and to come closer to our children. Guide them so that they can be respectful. They can be able to be better people in the community. We are navigating a very tight period, especially with technology, with the social issues, that needs a very close observation from the parents so that we don't leave this issue to the teachers alone. I want to appeal to you that at this afternoon, as you go back to your homes with the children, please take a minute, an hour, some days with your children and show them the way to a better living. It is in the formative stage. This is the best period that you can guide your child in this age of 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 years, which you can easily do and get the correct results in the near future. The society, the world looks upon us, and the world and nature will actually condemn you if you didn't play your role as a parent. So, as we come closer to this function, I want to assure you that we are going to support you 100% Utumishi girls. And as your patron, I want to give you my assurance. And as a parent, I want to give you my assurance that issues to do with your coming back as fast as possible, I will want to journey with you pamoja. Tuko pamoja? So I'll be there, do your part, and I will again do my part. The school captain requested some, almost 3 items? So